represent for higher GC News. Mima Obibia Akwaba had the latest hot and made a Bramo. And so you subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say over subscribe. The way I say we click the subscribe button, now we barely notification. We answer video for be upload when the first person once a video. Afi we are now like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share my for so that when you be here na wo and somewhere koso e wo Ghana me mo hanom afi yimbura ye semwa abeto yepono so yinkuti sa report ya ababetu ya mama yiti sansem yi
Afenyo Markin guy. He's a criminally minded politician. You can't say you don't want to listen to me. I'm not afraid to say it. He says he's a lawyer. He should take me to court. Look at his actions. I'm saying he's a criminally minded politician. His actions show clearly. When he went as board chair of Ghana Water, he gave himself contracts. He had over 30 companies and gave himself haulage contracts. He was the one transporting the chemicals to all the 90 stations by force and holding the checkbooks.
We were evidence to that.
I told you that if you want to ask to open the can Ghana Water, I'll bring you the evidence. You yourself, you shake, you run. I'm telling you, people are prepared to talk from the inside Ghana Water to come out and voice out. And then only him, this same person, he will keep the checkbooks in his armpit and pay himself quickly, immediately the cars move. This is the same person. You brought him to Road Fund. Go and see what he did at the Road Fund. Go and see how he manipulated to get contracts, road contracts, and even sell most of it. This same person, you brought him to Electricity Company of Ghana. At the time, the company was really under pressure. When Ofori had brought his friends to come and collapse the place already. His friend Kennedy Agyapong, he knows next to nothing about electricity. How does he become board chair? They wanted to steal the $190 million the US people had provided. So he brought him to come and sit there and then manipulate. You know, the Americans, yes, the Americans are intelligent when it comes to the Millennium Challenge account. Do you know why they set up the Millennium Challenge account? They don't want...
It started from Kufuor.
Yes, they didn't want it. It was Bush who brought it to the five African countries. And Kufuor was a beneficiary. Even that one, that Walker Bush you are talking about, it was not part of the plan. Obiajuni, it was Indum who saw it in the 1963 to 70 development plan and picked it. And then decided to convince the Americans to construct the road in order to catch up with that Greek policy that they were doing, the park houses, to get our horticultural products early to the airports and then for export. So he was the one who devised the plan that a road must be part of the contract and convince the Americans. At the time, Sikane bar for a Greek project, Kufosi Umfri or Nombra, but he stayed on until he got the road contract money. You know, I was with him before, so I know some of these things. And America say, ECG no. They intentionally took people there to destroy the place. Kennedy Agyapong, he knows next to nothing. The Millennium Challenge account. Yes, the Millennium Challenge account. He came to help us to restore sanity in our electricity sector, leakages, bypasses, and then the cost of electricity pricing and other things. So they gave us the money to clear our sector. But the people they took there, the kind of guarantees they took, the Americans saw that they were doing as so they took their money away.
$190 million.
Yes, they took it away. And then look at the container issues. You take $500,000 of a company's money for 1,300 containers. They're talking about $65 million. All these things you people have not seen to talk about. You Afenyo, saying what going with you on national politics. Sorry for the normal Sikabe doing some money Sika. How did you get rich? You this young man. Tell me, how did you get rich? Today you are talking about a stepfather. How did you get rich? Tell me. I said he ran away from the university. He couldn't complete the course. At the time, University of Cape Coast, it was 80%. So it was not easy for anybody to go through. He ran away. Look at him. Today he wants to say what to who and to who. I would not listen to such people. Let's get serious with this nation. These are the people who have wronged us. And they're in the streets. They created a crime scene. Yes. How can you take $58 million and then go and dig a pit and then lie to Osofo Nupai, Duncan Williams me? Can you be about Malene and Yashiami? But from the beginning, the Holy Ghost should have shown it to them. That's my blame. I'm saying Otabe, all of them, they were coerced into. Look at Jamiche Mafu. All of them, they were coerced into joining it. Did they not? You couldn't see through it that it was a lie. What are we talking about? And what are you saying today?
The pit is still there.
It's still there. Was it a demonstration to go and close the pit? Disgraceful lot. Is that how the new patriotic party we knew in 1992? Is that how they started? Is that how they started? Was it a bunch of criminals? I say it without fear of favor. I'm telling you. Look, Kennedy Agyapong, do you know what he was doing at Ghana Gas?
Bunch of criminals, withdraw, please.
Bukabi.
Withdraw, please.
People, Bukabi. I will draw for the sake of your show.
Fantastic.
But people who have created a crime scene, I don't know how you describe them.
Let's leave it like that.
What? So Mugabe.
Yeah, it's slow.
Debbie, no, how? Look at Ghana Water. Look at the potential we have with the Ghana Water Company Limited. And what you can do with it. Now say I won't hear. Sir Stephen Bedu, engineer Stephen Bedu. He was the one who was paying the 650,000 every fortnight.
Allegedly.
He was the one. He has been interdicted. The BNI took him in. The NIB took him inside.
Yeah.
I think. No, small boy, who has brought himself into national politics, who has two fathers. Afenyo Markin, boy. Yes.
When I say two fathers.
Is he not talking about his stepfather now? Didn't you hear him over the weekend talking about his father and stepfather? One a carpenter and the other an agri technician. Asema e ka wa o ka se boy e try nipa ho ntro nti onu sa small boy no this anyoma we nyina e den eba me I don't give him attention. I don't watch him. I'm telling you, he has nothing to offer this nation. Omo de nibre boni any adwum boni and ewura national politics mu and ne papa je Akufo te ho and ne wofa na Akufo Addo na suma no yodom ko na me na America no wo kwan wa fa so odi unsa enu oman ni sikam a wa sell oman ni sika allegedly when you were made board chairman you were sent to go and do dirty work and you went to do it ECG na nsema na abaho and na okofa board chair a okoyo no so okoton alumi sika bia opebi okoton alumi ewo ECG sika no 490 million to me account for well and what you should be demonstrating about
it's what two bank accounts.
It's a two bank accounts. How? And you say you're a lawyer, you are heading this company under national security, and then you have Ghana Water also under national security. Paying sika 650,000 every 2 weeks. You see, the man is at post. He's the area manager for Accra East. He should be removed by tomorrow morning. He should be removed because your friend is 6 days. And I be
what an AJ award. You know, say one Mr. Francis.
Yes, they I'm trying to say or no more person sabotage JM no. So no more na workers ni peno. Oh man award. Yes, he met them. Yes, you know that be say if I were him, I'll tell JM, say, John Mahama, I am engineer Francis Lamte, and I can be managing director of Ghana Water. He should come back to Accra. He should be deputy managing director of operations. Or but Bedu is there.
More than qualified.
He's more than qualified, but Bedu is at operations. But he should be brought in as DMD, special duties, if you want to make Ghana Water better. Look, when you speak to such intelligent person, you know, G Water now Ghana Water no. G Water company, yes sachet in the bottle. We can do 24-hour economy with that thing straight at home, first hand. We can just expand. The contractor is still alive. We can just expand the machines and do. Mugabe, look, the effect of Galamsey on national life. They didn't go for a demonstration on it. The alternative in Profile, I say, the young people who have gone into Galamsey on life, I say, meaning boy be a free crobi so a friend at him or treso. Almost 30 a yin blasted rock na. Or no 30 mine. Into dynamite never blasted within some seconds. Now there we were 30 2 minutes, 3 minutes, I didn't blast here. All bear then and I didn't blast the far no. Didn't buy any no. Who is paying compensation to such a young person who is a breadwinner for his family? Why did he go out there to go and do galam? Say, where USS? I saw you understand? So we have lost many of the young people. They have gone into drugs. Some of them have gone into prostitution. Yes. And gold didn't cry what he. Who bought the gold? How was it sold? Did they pay tax for the gold they found under the Galamsey activities? We are not hearing all these things. Who can another kromwa? Yes, look at all this. Where's the money? Where's the gold? Look at Akunta mining. How he was bold to enter a forest or water bodies to destroy. You are not demonstrating on this one.
Over the weekend, watching say your mama want to fight a Galamsey on intensify.
He should take the lead. He should take the lead
environmentally.
Yes, he should take the lead and your mama. Look at how we have destroyed our environment.
I don't want to Akufo Addo.
He cannot. obetumi ato no fo hwe ono ahemfo nyina sorry
galamsey the two on the garden
yes
in feature
in America no Mugabe. So if you look at all the effects of this bad thing, a party, it was a party policy that is so commodity party yesika. So it was a policy to come and do galamsey, open our forest and destroy it. That one they will not demonstrate. Look at where the site where where they went to dig the manhole in the name of God. Then you collapse scholarship secretariat that gave Kofi Annan scholarship to go to America to go and study. That gave scholarship to Professor John Evans Atamils. That gave scholarship to the almighty Liman to go and study, and many important professors in this country, J. Akufo and his sisters, they took scholarship under. Why do you collapse that building? It should have been a national monument for years on for people to come and see. Appeal court judges, or one can say, and the JJ Rollins said no, or John Bekwako shares so that they cannot be easily seen passport and bribed. Office. Yes. Now, what collapse dining? Look at the old passport office. Look at how you collapse the building without sense. One for dream beyond two. Why? If you look at what they came to do with all this destructive we have to punish somebody. Somebody must face punishment for this thing, because Mugabe, it is not enough, and they are out there doing what? Demonstrating.
Appear said by demonstration.
Daddy, bad demonstration. On the catch us appear stadium no. On my JM fans. Now my JM fans na me no. There because JM look at Article 146. The petition is quite happy. JM that's so. After I said, I said, I'm in a kind, and then the man for me, trying to imagine me. Oh, my God, so no to be right or Jeff or no JM to be right by Mudu Mubetono. And Nigeria, David. Nigeria, they can be tell about one of them. It's almost sorry, I won't tell any part, and American to be 10 per big nipa nyame shirawa no shirawo ebi ti say John Mahama article 146 said the call happen one na so nyoma bi da ho so quickly he decided to refer the matter to the Council of State. They established a prima facie case. The body he's going by the constitution. Oh no, your constitution Afenyo Markin so he's exercising the power on behalf of the people. 2 million send in Sase and India. It's exercise. So when the petition, when
he's doing the right,
yes, per the constitution and quickly so
I said petition. He forwarded it to the Council of State. So what has changed? When a petition comes, you must act on it.
This same CJ, the petition that was sent in 2024, Nanado forwarded it to the Council of State at the time, and they said they didn't see anything wrong. Am I lying? And they threw it away. Yes, these people they found something wrong. Now who took private travel and then official travel. You violated it. You took your daughter. You paid 10,000. You took your husband. You paid 6,000 to Zambia. Zambia then I'm asking you. And you see kind of they just go around the trip and come and sit down and stop. It's not so. One can say when you sue office wrongly.
Said yeah, muntetri omodia money you know.
You know when you know. Yeah, they put na tankuru amu no mo dey ko share Afenyo mu na. He na nkasa. I swear my father she cannot come back. Look, there's one person from their side who was appointed 2019 who is on the committee, the 5-member. The law is the law. The law is an ass. She's lying. The law is an ass. When she was there, she was riding it the way she wanted.
He was there. Appointed to that place.
Yes, and she was riding the ass the way she wanted. And
that's Bafubon Yakoho 2008.
Uko 11 years so senior. Gabriel Pawan senior so many years, 4 years. Uko 2 How were you appointed? How were you appointed ahead of these people?
Were overlooked.
How were you appointed over these people? Now Bafubon, he was working hard. Go and check his write-ups at the appeal court and when he was at the high court, and that is why J. Akufo saw sense in promoting him. And yes, sir, partisan politics. 2008, who say he was barely 51 years at the time.
So the one day born papa 7.
Now Mugabe who say you have conquered the judiciary. You have taken 95% of the high court. You Nanado Danko Akufo Addo. And then you have taken 91% of the appeals court. And then you are telling me the law is the law. Meanwhile, you are riding it the way you want it. Today, the tables have turned. And we are saying that we will use the constitution to reset the judiciary in such a way that the people will have belief. O say mra. Na say the over
from my lord no.
There be from my lord na undu ho.
My lord so me let me my lord.
Yeah, to me do.
Fidie to me my lord.
Yes. So constitution separation of powers no. 3 arms of government. And you say if you are independent and ufumwa or mining to me
when one more can say was scandalizing on one court na.
Yes, scandalized her own position
and put the name of the court in.
She has scandalized her own position as CJ and has put the chief justice position into this and where been actually I ain't me say Mugabe I swear my father so dem democrat so enu kra na man mba biom no nim de ntia say sika na oyima na yire ne ba no dom level o style bi o auditor onim say wa ben say sika na say be ba ho nti ono no dom level de na one line
no say what the one
line it's very simple one line you cannot return to your position asa next time if they bring you to a certain position as sensitive as this come and work in the national interest who Afenyo Markin small boy at the assembly at 2 o'clock when their own party 12 the party constitution bars them Mamle Morrison article 3 and 9 you should have thrown them out. You assembled a court of justices and then you sat on the case and decided to disgrace one arm of government when you knew the law on which you were acting on was wrong. You went the partisan direction. Through that same window we will throw you out. Okay, so this Roby Madam Torkonoo bye bye to Winneba to serve your last days. Bye-bye to Winneba. Way I believe in women. I'm an affirmative person that women should take the yes. I was even suggesting that. And I make say so ba senior most of our hanka emfa ni wobati. Emmanuel Tiri. Inti emfa bafu boni na. Na bafu boni no so no onim. Wa tra Kufuor, wa tra Professor Mills, wa tra John Mahama first one. Wa sa tra Nanado 2 terms. The law will change.
Bafu boni ne
Oh yeah, Director Controller General Ghana Prison Service.
Inti obey dey.
Oh no kasa ni ti o. Be me mobo. Yem form nyina nko akuse. Oh, samam denye.
Omko akuse omko ya mo nyina se do mo kon so a na omo na ma ho se. Na we say edo with hard labor. No mo na.
Yeah, akuse po no hard labor do mo nanti ho.
Omo be do mo.
Krodo so ntwami krodo so ba afia me he. O senya horse no. Omo hu nyina be nkusa. Next time when they come out, they'll feel the heat.
Politicians, you always say that you don't know someone come no more do dokwan.
Gabby, Gabby. Don't let them see outside. You see, I was happy. Yes, because me no man who said 28 days kwa ye twa won sawa me me sa hu ti say me na be ba be wo me hu atomi ye do akuse na aka 3 days me frem Gabby Adeboafu akuga Adeboafu akaka say dey be ba hadam say nya hwe e adisua nti me ma ko hu akuse no me if I'm advising any judge to put anybody in prison like Afenyo Markin dokoye wo Ghana water dokoye wo ECG dokoye wo road fund what straight to akuse someone straight to akuse someone how fund in your refi obasa that form. Next time we Pia will say yes. To be Mbambe for any move this criminal intentions, small boy. You want to use the opportunity you get in politics to still gather for me catch them. MPP for no, they're a bunch of hopeless politicians. I say without fear of favor, Mugabe. They are there, look at their mind, property owning. They come in, they don't have anything. And then take the opportunity to steal from the state and call themselves rich people. And because he went through politics. We will not sit down. The NDC is not like the MPP. The NDC can never a young person or NDC work up politics. We now do position now they are no, the NDC would no be in and Korea Petition within the group no mumbe say Ghana Bar Association. Yeah, they should be careful. And then Mamenu so no, or she's creating confusion. She should resign. Or a lawyer in her position, she knows the outcome of what is going to come. So she should resign. Now, assume Jembra. What you say? What is their interest? In America, what is their interest? They want to use this. They're going to use the woman and the way they had arranged the court system to shield the crime scene they are created, so that they'll run away with their stolen booty. And this one, they are Chiomo. And I'm saying that JM didn't interfere with the arms of government. He didn't go into the judiciary to interfere there. Petitions were made to him. He followed Article 146. He set up established a prima facie case. Then he set up the 5-man committee, and they are working. And the woman has been suspended. It's Mugabe. Mugabe, like I say, JM, like I say, strict. Only ni be diagram. on my own fa obey you every ho. So we I say or strict or say or no bibia but na sem senior TN say we di so. Or to say Chief Julius Zebra. Yeah. Chief Julius Zebra amount time say Brandon chain 10 o'clock. Massa by 9:15 you should be around the place and compounding and waiting. That kind of discipline, no, it moves through. On say Chief Julius Zebra or Kasano, me who baby, he'll be smiling. But discipline is too high. And number 110%. Until you don't think say he's smiling with you, if you do the wrong thing, he will cover you. And I'm happy that they have established a code of conduct, Mugabe. This is not the first time the NDC is coming to power. We have been here before. We started in 1982. The old guys of 1982 are still there. Yeah. They still guide the party. Some of them are in the Council of Elders. And they know what is right. That will make the government attractive. And then will make people believe in what we are doing. So in setting out the code of conduct, in they came to create a crime scene. Small boy, I didn't bet to baby, I know I done it wrong for, excuse me for my use of word. Saying, a National Signals Bureau, or no, the ball mining and Sacrono, every year, Sika, Akoto estates. No friend, who rich man. Or General TV was a bomb sketio. While yes, Sika, Yambo sketio. Adding. Into young people who got opportunity who should serve this country. Obi of you of France year be. Obeti I seen yiri galamse or ton galamse gold. I'll be to be in Kanasem. DMP or France be the people are suffering. Nothing is going on. On one kasa or galamse ya. Yeah, can someone see me my anchor. Or must say BBI instead of going back to be reflective about the distraction they have done to this country, they won't do it. And they want to come and attack us. In GM is setting the standards very high with this code of conduct. Public service should also take a cue from it. This cleansing should go down. It should go into the public service. They are the engine to help government to succeed. It should go down. There's too much corruption. Mugabe, let me tell you, look, there's corruption in the military. I have a dossier, I can show it to you. There's corruption in the Ghana police service. We must raise our heads. Things that are going on which are not good. So that if these government officials are to set a high standard, then we can begin to question elsewhere, the public service, the civil servants. And then like I talked about, the military and other places, that there's corruption that is going on inside there. The arrogance of power. I don't say we are hand time. Me, I've come to see that if you are in the NDC and you are overly ambitious, you cannot serve. So become overly ambitious, you have to. Overly ambitious is like there's something to do and you think that you can overdo the thing and you are showing off with your shoulders, trying to run around and like Afenyo is doing. Afenyo is acting like an overly ambitious politician who is much ado about nothing. There's nothing to do, but he will set himself as if end of semester. Mugabe, they should be periodically reminded that arrogance of power will take them nowhere. They should be you should be down to earth. And America say, me, I don't want to. I like all the people who have been appointed. Yeah, very one important guy, Bro Jajemfi. Yes. Yeah, I admire him so much. And yes, then the youth. Sami Jemfi. As for him, when I mention his name, I say Almighty Sami Jemfi. Randy Abe, my good friend Randy Abe, the one that who has been put at what's his name, the young man. Eric J. That guy is serious guy. Say everybody should go home and reapply. Saturday I wave my handkerchief. To chairman. Yes, me to chairman. I mean, message
Mugabe. This is Chairman Eric. Malaysia, Singapore, NDC chapter and financier in the Lejikuku constituency. Watching you live from Dubai. Mugabe, tell our listener that I wish him happy birthday in advance. I will later send my birthday gift to him. Mugabe, you represent the soul of the grassroots. Big ups. Malaysia and Singapore NDC chapter.
Yeah, my boo.
So we don't even see the good hakura and Sabeka.
You Mati.
We quite the wide generation the war.
Yo, Mati be himself.
Put me cram for.
Where the young Yano, so perhaps MC. That is so difficult. You be all no quite. Other than me, no quite. Me no 90 years. Brian Cobra or baby, the Debido. And Timogabi, Midi Manusino. Let me support my sister with the argument she raised. At the time when she was coming up with the argument that the woman, Nana Kunama, was talking about her past. Mugabe is not easy. Even the setting up of the gold board. to sanitize the precious minerals marketing sector. Hey, Massa, what do you say? Is that one is an A+?
And the gentleman is working.
And the person who has been put there to understands the processes that he has to go to. So
they set up the board afresh.
Yes,
there was no such board.
Yes,
and it's running.
It's running. That's what.
It's running. And so people are being asked to come and register.
Is it wrong to say A+?
How can this be C?
It cannot be C.
What's your market?
No. It's A+. Look at the name. The name it rings a bell. Adubwaye. Is it Professor Adubwaye's son?
Yes.
Is it related to him?
Yes.
This one I don't know him because I went to school with Christopher and I went to school with Charles in Achimota School. I don't know this one. I don't know where Sena made besides a Tróuble. So no Tróuble. Yes. Me count from Kokot. Who are you? Who small boy? 44 years. How old are you? 44 years. You get opportunity and the state to come and save us, and you use opportunity to steal with your wife.
So far as a court, competent court of jurisdiction.
Oh,
yeah, so you're guilty in it.
Okay, but let's see whether it is not criminal. Okay, let's go through the process, and me and you. It's not about the law. It's logical. Let's see whether it is not criminal. Only by Ghana government, any is only company.
No, what you are saying.
But Gabby, can you know national security? They don't disclose. It's the kind of salary. They don't disclose their expenditures. That is why you're supposed to do this. We have to find a law to make national security disclose their expenditures to somebody. Either the vice president, they must have somebody they report to directly, so that we see some of these things before they blow out of hand. But Gabby, I'm saying let's see whether it is not criminal. Listen,
this is sad.
Who say who combat cyber defense security software they are protecting national security. Then you sign a company agreement with an Israeli company, and the money is $7 million. And then you take 1.7 and pay to them, and then you transfer the rest into your own accounts, BNC accounts, and then later from the BNC accounts you transfer into your own UMB private accounts. But you think I should go to court to go and know that this is criminal? What are you saying? It is logic. Answer the basic law school. If you fear answer, and then I'm saying he's guilty. You don't need a court to tell us. I'm telling you what a champion and co went through in 1979. I'm sure if it was those days, this thing will be burning by now. Will be burning ashes. Why? What is this? Why? When we need schools, look at the alternative use for $7 million.
Potential.
Look at the alternative use of $7 million here in Ghana. What we can do with it when it comes to roads, when it comes to schools, when it comes to hospitals. Yes. The body will not be here.
Hospital a mother for my pain.
Go to the district hospitals. Even cocoa growing areas. Go and see. Look at the problem there. Where do cocoa? Now we have the cocoa. Now we do Beffium. Look at that for one bag. If you at the Beffium, you 50 cedis. Look at 20 bags. You have paid 1,000 already. They are suffering in the rural areas. They need good roads. There's no snake serum anywhere near any hospital apart from opposite Kolebu. You die. Yes. So it is painful if you look at national life, especially the rural urban divide. Where you share with your credit slow. The Chrome can time on first can be in Kohon make the Chrome. The Chrome crying and you advocate for any property to go to his town or no buy and no idea what makes you bloat. You are Afenyo Markin. What makes you feel big in national life? I want to know. And now when Japan now when you now obey Bisa or choir or fast or Japan now for Musipeni and banana. I want to know. Look, it's high time the national security. I'm saying the national security must leave Accra and storm Afenyo Markin's house. I'm telling you, there are a lot of things we'll find out. Japan must look our underground. Afenyo Markin, our underground building. There are a lot of things that are inside that house.
Have you been to the house?
I know the premises. I've been to Winneba.
Allegedly.
I know, Mogabi. Why is he always coming to Odinanuba to assembly? You let me put it aside because of radio station. But I'm saying that why is it that Yasamaba
it's of national interest?
It's of national interest. Yeah. Now what to hope? The losses we have made at the Bank of Ghana, they have alternative uses. Kwame Nkrumah 191 million pounds. No, as at the time of free power, almost where this no one knew. Kwame Nkrumah responded to them. Yes, that's why. Don't you see the Akosombo Dam? I use 70 million pounds counterpart funding. Don't you see the motorway? Don't you see the 43 brand new secondary schools? Those ones, they are not costs. They benefit the future It says can you have invested it? Need you not say a car back?
Those schools, no say.
And that's all. Those 3 secondary schools. They are the servers. The motorway and a pebia will be a fasu. A cotton about baby of the motorway. I'm asking, say, can I a boy from 2017 to now? What has Addison got to show for us? Where are the roads? Where are the hospitals? That's what I'm asking. Where are the schools? What has been done? Where is the transformation of our society? Has any new township come up? Sikana Kokuni Papoto. Me say they came to run a Ponzi scheme, Mugabe. I'm telling you. And Afenyo Markin is the one, the lawyer they have sent, says Ansem Nuba. Because no, yeah, Obetumi Ababeka, near Manisika, no, Tróuble, no. We have to find a way. It takes money for his legal work. Who can say Kasa all defending the Ojiska? It's still take money. It's not free. Kasa no can, it's not free. He comes in as a legal something to the person. Who's a kind of fratanya and Asempe and Obeka? Opposing was lawyer of the MPP into Obeka. You have to send him money. Now, on one refi, on one client at court. Any edit their court. On one factory. One collect me edit that G250,000.
Do you have evidence?
Oh. Listen,
allegedly, please.
I like you to put it that way. But Afenyo is not above anybody. Like I told you, he must learn to be humble. Oh, look, Mr. Kem, if Mr. Kem is listening to me in Winneba, Mr. Kem must call Afenyo Markin and tell him.
Who is Mr. Kem?
Mr. Kem is a philanthropist who used to live in Winneba. And because no Afenyo Markin woman, no woman, no costume, send you see bread. Say wakotira ade say when yesika no de tua no hoka onye school say obekwa disco no when just can come he had to take Mr. Kem, the benevolence of Mr. Kem, to go and beg the Methodist Church to take him in St. Augustine's College. And then look at him, even when he goes to Winneba, he wants to fly over Mr. Kem. I'm telling you, this is the guy, arrogant, brutish guy. Me, I don't respect him, I don't listen to him, and I don't expect any young Ghanaian to listen to him. I'm from Penisika. I'm telling you people. Yes, you want to talk about so it talks anyhow. And I'm going to be as Okasa Musrunu. Who is this guy? Who must use the democracy to level him? You must put him in his position. And I like the way the Attorney General addressing. They will meet in court. They will definitely meet in court because in some now, on Obedi Echirako, so for defending MPP for no. Obekwa tip the full papa. Look at the person. Nipa Ayaboni Dia or no Odi Esika. We call national security. Kobre Bibwai. My ya mean to me who say Professor Niket Reni and the banner call Bontru now one so mean to me I cannot I've tried to Google to find who his parents are. Yet the work of signals bureau. Now signals bureau only in Faso one more minor is to coordinate the signaling activities of the national security to keep them active and working in the field at all times. And to protect them whilst they are there. It is I wonder even what you know about national security or whether what you have acquired in national knowledge you have acquired in national security and another appointed with the call. Look at what you have done. Cyber security, defense cyber security system. Yama usikase fakotono $7 million. Anamebwa. Or the Sikano or the Israeli company being a shisha and the two scanning be more no the akano or no ati company on any Mugabe in America say we need the spousal rights bill here. You can't spousal rights bill uhuka for so who politics more uhuka for so you see they didn't no so who declare assets and so uhuka for so declare the assets and now already above 18 years because yes ube today we are the akosha now ube to me no makabum like I mine that the two may become one. They became one in order to come and take our money away. This is bad. Look at the estates you have acquired. Shesika ye can wasem. Yet to me Bobby $1 million. Hey, Mugabe, me be a woman $10,000 to cry for the rest of his life. He will become great and strong and become an empire. Now who's young guy? What to me access to that place signals. Na Shesika udi tutofie. If an order, you sleep in a trip. I want to know Oda Mpami and Sasso at a time. And now Oda dying Temu at a time. I want to know. Well, in America, you do all these things. Then in the end, you see that when you die, some drug addicts will go and marry your daughter. Excuse me, I beg for my use of words. Some drug addicts be, some nipper being only lose only correct life be. no more be deep property na send na turn basa kwa offer so awuya no in that same manner they will come and destroy it. This is not fair to the nation at all. And look at the omo here, they want to run away from us. Omo ni they omo play hide and seek, they know what they have done. Oh, we allowed him to stay after 7 January, is that not it? At that time he was looking for ways in which to transfer these monies. So some of it is good. Whether it came early or it came late, it's good, because if you had sacked him early, the money will be sitting in account and he will tell you that, oh, I'm going to work with it. But now we have seen the intention clear, fraudulent. This thing that he has done is fraudulent. It's your bomb, my way more. I am a day. Attorney General Nama, I see about money bail. Or money bail, so I know I search him based on fresh information. When you Charlie, is that the amount of money Agyapong stole? Properties, no?
Yeah. 27 houses.
27 Vertex properties.
Yeah. 27 million.
Yes.
It has about
Labadi
2 houses in London.
2 houses in London. Labadi phone is say
27 houses each. Yeah, of course, no. I could be a $295 a year $1,000. No, total. But the real cost, no, $127 million.
Or tell they say he has to disguise and make
a display also.
Look at, we have allowed one man. This is just one man, and the national security was not even in charge, just in charge of their signals. Nobody was monitoring him. Nobody was evaluating his work for 8 years. How come?
Mayfair Estate La.
How come? Yes.
$150,000.
Yes, Mayfair Estate. I make us a la for
$150,000.
Mugabe, la for musu say for masas ebini side ya wabodi $150,000. Onu la manche no say the money says scanner and konkoda. And they have property and people are going to build on it and they are selling it in exorbitant prices. Offer cheap. Look, Mugabe, I have said and I've said this thing and said this thing.
Have a copy.
We have to as a nation.
I have it on my phone.
Yeah, it's on my phone. As a nation, what we have to do is to block that agenda of property owning. Wow, because young guy we all back power no. Let's find out whether they are not in a rented premises.
No, position can say
rented premises then he gets his job. Then after 8 years he's able to flaunt such wealth because of property owning. They didn't do anything under the guise of property owning. That's the agenda. That's what they do, and we have allowed them.
And the Johama Ubia minister appointee Biawo up to 31st March. So
to declare their yes. Remember, Mugabe, it is good. It's because of some of these things they have to declare. Mugabe, look at the property. What they call him? And I mean, a die him now die a day. Who sorry dapaah? A dying 8 hours Sabadan, or that dying 10 more, now that dying 20 more. How do you need 27 houses at Vector's properties for what? What do you do with it? There will be Sakura Mobo. I see that saying, Kwame Nkrumah only dying up on tonight. Why you young man? So this is a syndicate, Mugabe. Look, he won't do this thing alone. He has bosses, those who brought him there. Yes, because it cannot be that he's doing this and nobody supervises.
He did it.
No, there's a connection.
But he's a boss.
Look at the name. The name it rings a bell. Adubwaye. Is it Professor Adubwaye's son?
Yes.
Is he related to him?
Yes.
This one I don't know him because I went to school with Christopher and I went to school with Charles in Achimota School. I don't know this one. I don't know where it's made besides a Bontrouwe. So no a Bontrouwe means yes. Me count from in Kokot. Who are you young small boy? 44 years. How old are you? 44 years. You get opportunity and the state to come and save us, and you use opportunity to steal with your wife.
So violence court competent court of jurisdiction. Guilty in there. Okay, Mugabe, let's see whether it is not criminal. Okay, let's go through the process, and me and you. It's not about the law, it's logical. Let's see whether it is not criminal. By Ghana government, any is only company. No idea what you are saying. But Mugabe, can you know national security they don't disclose into young kind of salary they don't disclose their expenditures. That is why you're able to do this. We have to find a law to make national security disclose their expenditures to somebody, either the vice president. They must have somebody they report to directly, so that we see some of these things
before they blow out of hand. But I'm saying let's see whether it is not criminal. Listen,
this is sad.
Who say who combat cyber defense security software they are near they are protecting national security. Then you sign a company agreement with an Israeli company, and the money is $7 million, and then you take 1.7 and pay to them, and then you transfer the rest into your own accounts, BNC accounts, and then later from the BNC accounts you transfer into your own UMB private accounts. Because you think I should go to court to go and know that this is criminal? What are you saying? It is logic. Answer the basic law school. If you fear answer, and then I'm saying he's guilty. You don't need a court to tell us. I'm telling you, what a champion and co went through in 1979. I'm sure if it was those days, this thing will be burning by now. Will be burning ashes. Why? What is this? Why? When we need schools, look at the alternative use for $7 million.
Potential.
Look at the alternative use of $7 million here in Ghana. What we can do with it when it comes to roads, when it comes to schools, when it comes to hospitals. Yes, the body will not be here.
Hospital a mother for my parents.
Go to the district hospitals. You suffer even cocoa growing areas. Cocoa growing areas. Go and see. Look at the Dompreh. Where do you cocoa? Now we have the cocoa. Now we do Befio. Okada for one bag. If you at the Befio, you 50 cedis. Look at 20 bags. You have paid 1,000 already. They are suffering in the rural areas. They need good roads. There's no snake serum anywhere near any hospital apart from opposite Kolebu. You die. Yes. So it is painful if you look at national life, especially the rural urban divide. Where the Chrome can time on first Kennedy Agyapong make out now. The Chrome crying you advocate for any property to go to his town or no buy and crow no idea.
At least I didn't know any padia come bonus a sumo my gun.
Because when we do it, they don't punish them. They are love for their greed for money. Look, yes, and I make us say, look, we did 44 years. So say we have 46 years. Kwabena Agyapong on 46 years. There's a greed in the MPP about their it's a group of people.
Afenyo Markin now come for
American. There's a greed. Some spiritual greed. The wrong say. Position in your mind, they'll go to law school, go and acquire the law certificate, excuse me for my use of word, and negatively use it, yes, to steal and protect themselves. When others are going to law school for the positive use for our society, they go to school for the negative use of the tuchina.
They will get champion a year, local champion.
Now you can answer who understand this.
Packing the court.
He knows all of them.
Now Ghana would judge at them.
America look at the judge at them. I feel no news so there could be so. Next time we go see answer. Bolika China Sadisi. Past 8 years. Look at how he has handled the Bank of Ghana. The Bank of Ghana was set up for a certain reason. Well, find out how do we make losses and not find out what those losses were. For the past 8 years, Yaboka was central bank. This is what he was doing.
Now, don't you know what's Yaboka?
Who beside me, Mugabe? You say Sikasu. Sikano just Sasuke, Mami. I don't know if you Mami. And then you say, I can't wear half. What do you say? Nice to come with me. Because you so bad, hey, Obesa Bana Kabako. Obesa say, let me tell you, Kikabeko, you me buy. And no more board, man. That's what I've told you. That is the agenda of the property owning agenda. That is what they brought into government. So they want them to enrich themselves. Look. The South Party no more for Munikekeu 1992 and Ibrahim almost Rollins at power 90 years. Into Rollins in the Nakudo Monyamu, into Musomo Pekwabi no Babem, no Musama Ababenyamu, NPP. So they came under the guise of property owning, development in freedom. Let's say this one is development in freedom. So you can criminalize your office. You can create a crime scene, development, and still, yes, and go and develop yourself, your family. Yes, and nobody will talk. Obikasa. Then you drive your way through at the expense of the state. And then they say, Basa. And they started to say, I'm asking the whole world, which banker, which governor in the whole world will do this? And they come and tell us, say, you're ready if how? You even be polite with us. Did we touch you? Yabo. What boy you can say? What boy to be LBB? Now Jack Pakwa issue next time when he's going for some of his operations, he should invite me. Because some of the people you need to slap them. You see a boom assume get your form. It's disgraceful to do this. Sit at the center and look at your salary. You and the citizen, look at your salary. You are not even deserving of the position. It was Kennedy Agyapong who brought you. The Ponzi scheming people came to run. This is what we are facing. Very disgraceful. Me, the damn in that. Why was a champion shot? I ask you people. Why was he shot? Let me recount this story here and compare it to this group of people who were happy when a champion was shot. How was he shot? A champion. Almost see that. No trouble. Fire away in his home village. In Asante. On 5th July 1978. Ato Wellington and Co had entered his office in the Ministry of Defense and had disarmed him and asked him to sign his resignation. Then they confined him to his home village in Tróuble. Then on 4th June, he heard that there had been a military coup. First, it was the 15th May uprising. Then the 4th June came to come and release Rawlings. This man's name was mentioned on radio. He had to drive all the way, courageous as he was. He has served his nation. He had built that woman. Or since Ghana for Bediatuo, that women will take the commanding heights of the economy. Do you know why? They say, if you make them entrepreneurs, they take the money home to look after the family. Yes. Operation feed yourself, feed your industry. Yes. You are mentioning just a few, Mugabe, all over the country. The woman still remains the biggest in the whole world. Kaneshi, North Kaneshi, Teshiluwa. It was Kutu Achampo. Satan Powampojilo will be all.
It was how many years in office?
He was 6.5 years in office. He only traveled to Togo for 12 hours. He only left the country once, 12 hours to Togo. He had the lowest foreign expenditure bill as president. You born it through. Who understand this? Look at you. You know it's Ada. J.A. Addison's son. This is J.A. Addison's son. Understand this is J.A. Addison's son. The industrialist. Who can saw Papa Tiasia and Cotis Hassan were buried there. And now Papa company slow giant and can do Papa Cassia and Kobama Quay. And then I'm moving saying, before mining. Look, we have to see the end of this matter. The international community
under the leadership of Ibrahim Traoré there, Burkina Faso.
Mugabe, what are you saying? You are comparing military situation to this one, to our democracy. The democracy that we have is slow. It grinds slowly when it comes to justice. It goes very slowly.
Our judiciary.
But if it goes to
judiciary,
no, you can set up the public tribunal system. That's what they used to jail our people. The jail could first set up the public tribunal system. Quickly set up one in Cape Coast, quickly one in Accra. Start trying people. People fear crime. They start this in Seone, and you saw them on Cape Coast. Every morning they have to drive to Cape Coast, and you let them come every 3 days until they give up. Why? What is it? What is it? Mitiya see plea bargaining never hold. But these guys are not prepared to release their properties. They are stealing too much. They want room for you. Oh, they have done well. And this one can say oral work. This is not is that not it? It's not the oral work. This is another side issue. Me, when JM named that guy, what's his name? Dominic Ayene. Okay, I said, why people are in trouble? Because he knows the law, he's firm about his convictions, and he will not give up. I mean, he is not going to let this thing pass. I know, I trust.
You're waiting for Winnie and someone about it. So, Mikao says, so we don't subscribe to channel idea, but more than say, over subscribe. Now, while I give video, don't give us a thumbs up. Now, share my work for so. Now, when you be here now, and someone also, Ghana memoir. Also, bet me otchere wadring afa ye some way you know our comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.